All right, here we go. Question number 15 from our 0314 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say solve, don't forget to check. All right, so what I want to point out in this problem, not only is this a rational equation because we have fractions with variables in the denominator, but this is a special kind of rational equation where you only have two fractions and one equal sign, okay? So this is called a proportion. When you have two fractions and one equal sign, that type of rational equation is called a proportion. And it's important to recognize when it's a proportion because there is a simple technique to solve a proportion. It's called cross multiply. So we're simply going to cross multiply to get rid of the fraction. So if I go this way first, 1 times y plus 3 makes y plus 3 because 1 times anything is itself. Going the other direction, 2 times y minus 2 is going to require the distributive property. So I'm going to need to distribute, and then I can solve for y. So here we go. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then to get y by itself, I'm going to bring this y this way and the negative 4 this way. And if you're wondering why I chose to do it that way, well, you'll see in a second. It's going to make it pretty nice. The negative 4 becomes plus 4. The plus 3 didn't move, so he's still plus 3. The 2y didn't move. He's still 2y. But look at this y becomes negative y. And then if I combine like terms, I'm going to have just y. 2y minus 1y is just y. 4 plus 3 is 7. Look at that. And I'm done. Now, what they mean by don't forget to check, you need to make sure that this solution, when I plug it in, doesn't make the denominator 0. So if I do a quick check, 7 plus 3 is not 0, and 7 minus 2 is not 0. So this answer is probably going to not have any problems. Only when it makes the denominator 0 do we have a problem. Okay, fine. If you plug in the 7 and it doesn't make the two sides equal, of course, that's going to be a problem. Okay, I can feel what you're saying. You're saying check it. So here we go. To check it, we're going to have 2 over 7 plus 3. On the other side is going to be 1 over 7 minus 2. And then if I do the math, that's going to be 2 over 10 equals 1 over 5. And the question is, does 2/10 equal a fifth? Well, if I pull up my calculator and type in 2/10, bam, you can see that it is a fifth. And 1/5 equals 1/5. That is a true statement. So the 7 checks out. And MyLab Math likes it. All right, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.